way to Bhutan from Siliguri. By road, Bindu is 106 km away from Siliguri and easily accessible by road. It will take 2 hours 47 minutes to cover this distance. Bindu is a village in the Gorubatan block in the Kalimpong subdivision of the Kalimpong district of the West Bengal. Bindu lies in the Indo-Bhutan border. India's second oldest dam is situated at Bindu. It is located 85 km from Jalpaiguri city. Bindu is a small village at an altitude of 600 meters or about 2000 feet on the India-Bhutan border. Bindu is famous for cardamom plantation, pristine nature and river Jaldhaka. The place has come up as a popular offbeat tourist destination of doers. The Bindu is scenically placed in Kalimpong district among the high mountains all around with Jaldhaka river flowing through the valley, making a natural border between Bhutan and India. From Siliguri to Bindu, the main attractions will be Bindu Barrage. Before you reach Bindu, you can also visit the Jaldhaka Hydel Power Project, which is located at Jhalung. Jhalung is also a popular offbeat tourist destination of doers. Along with that, you can also visit Gauribas Viewpoint and Gauribas Rubber Plantation on your roadside. Before reaching the village Garibas, look towards the right and you can see the rubber plantation along the road for a long stretch. Tall trees where plastic bags are hung on the bark. From the cuts on the bark, the white sticky fluid is collected into the bags and later refined to produce rubber. The rubber plantation has now become an important source of economy here. Further ahead, you will reach a wonderful viewpoint along the way. This is Garibas Viewpoint or Jaldhaka Viewpoint, located by the roadside. This is a low concentrated barrier on the side of the road. A deep green forest here goes all the way down to a valley below where you can see the Jaldhaka river flowing. Across the valley rises the Bhutan hills and below on the Indian side you can see the tiny settlement of Jhalung by river bank. It is an awesome sight. You can spend 15 to 20 minutes here. Jhalung is where the Jhalung river has merged with the Jaldhaka river. The Jaldhaka Hydel project has also known as Jhalung. So both the names Jhalung and Jaldhaka are used interchangeably here, although they mean the same place. At Jhalung on the left of the roads, you can see Jhalung Forest Rest House located on the bank of the Jhalung river. The view of the mountains around is wonderful. The Jhalung river, locally known as Jhalung Khola, flows next to the rest house over the rocky bed. Right next to the rest house is a pathway leading to the Jhalung river camp, which too run by WBFDC and located right on the Jhalung river bank. The Jaldhaka Hydel Power Project is the first hydroelectric project of India, can be visited with the prior permission of WBSEB authorities. The photography is strictly prohibited in the Hydel Power Project area. Bindu is located at an altitude of 2000 feet and one of the most beautiful offbeat destinations of doers. The vehicle can go up to a point and then you need to walk for about 200 meters to get Bindu Dam, which is also known as Jaldhaka Dam, which is the main attraction of Bindu. As you walk, you can see the valley, river Jaldhaka flowing on the bed of the rocks, and Bhutan Hills towering on the other side. The view is very stunning. The dam is on a valley surrounded by the Himalayan mountains of both Bhutan and India. In fact, Bindu is the last village on this route before Bhutan. Soon we step down from the road to a pathway leading to the river through the large boulder to see the dam from a close distance. You cannot go up to the dam. It is not allowed. The dam is used for the power generation at Jaldhaka Hydel Power Project. The large rocks on the river bank are ideal to sit on and paddle on the cool water of the river. The main attractions of this village is the Bindu Dam built on the Jaldhaka river to operate water supply of Jaldhaka Hydel project. However, It is also used as a footbridge to reach the Bhutan. From there, you can take a rare view of Snow Peak mountaineer range in winter. There are 4 gates on the dam. When opened, the water rushes out of the gates. The scene at the dam is magnificent. Sitting on the rock, you can feel the moist coming out of the water. Holding a camera lens can be difficult without getting it moist. There are 3 mountain streams that converge at the other side of the dam: Bindu Khola, Dudh Khola, and Jaldhaka. They all merge at the dam and become one river, the river Jaldhaka. From this side, though you cannot see the 3 streams on the other side of the dam. You can also experience lot of waterfalls on the way to Bindu from Chalon if you travel here in monsoon. After you get down from the car and start walking towards the Bindu Dam area, there are a couple of simple budget restaurants along the way. Many tourists take lunch or snacks here. How to reach? Where to stay?